My name is Sarah Bruce and I'm a primary school teacher in the southeast of England in Hertforshire, and I teach French to students from ages 5 to 11. I felt it was very important for the children to develop ideas of intercultural understanding, learning more about their neighbours in Europe, finding out, particularly comparing their cultures, but hopefully finding that they had a lot in common, so that they could see that children are just children anywhere else in Europe or the world for that matter. Because I feel that it's a very safe environment, that you can collaborate with colleagues around Europe, but you don't have as many issues concerning e-safety. It's a very secure area where you can just, if you want, just have the password between you and your partners, so that other people can't observe the children and the work they're doing. First of all, they prepared information about their countries to share as background for the project, and then they chose their favourite games. We selected the ones that we were going to share with the partners, and this was a project for European Day of Languages, so a short project. And then on the day of European Day of Languages, in my school, each class took a different country and they tried out a game from that country. And one of the great beauties was that I selected the countries so that children in my class of different nationalities were able to become the teachers for the other children, because suddenly they had this new confidence that they were sharing, for example, a Polish game with their peers. You need to start small, focus on a small project, because you can always expand it later on. But I think the children really enjoy when they find something that they have in common with the other children. So we discovered in our playground games that we all had our favourite games, but everybody in Europe plays clapping games, plays skipping games, plays chasing games and plays hiding games, and it was a great discovery for them. I find that I learn an awful lot from the teachers that I work with. If you get a good partner, I think you have to be quite precise about how many partners you want in the project. It's sometimes difficult to say no when you feel you have enough, but it becomes unmanageable if you have too many partners. And you share skills, so especially ICT skills. If I've learned how to use different apps, different programs, Voki, and programs that if you have an issue with e-safety, so you are not allowed to share images of your children, other teachers will show you other programs you can use to get around that. So it's not a barrier to doing eTwinning by any means.